Frugal friends, you know I am always doing something. I have so many things going on at any given time. Fun activities, things I enjoy, sometimes things I don't enjoy, but stuff that has to get done. I am loving getting back into all of my hobbies and enjoying outdoor adventures and indoor adventures and just living life to the fullest in a way I haven't been able to in several years. But as good as all that is, there's one thing missing. Whether I am on the walking pad, working at my desk, sitting in the doctor's waiting room, enjoying some beautiful sleep, or even, let's be honest, I have been missing one critical element that would elevate all of these situations. And thanks to today's sponsor, Raycon, we just might have found that missing detail that I desperately needed. And maybe, just maybe, this product can make your activities more complete too. Thank you, Raycon, for sending these fabulous earbuds to us. It has been a dream of mine as a YouTuber to get a deal with Raycon, like all my favorite YouTubers have done. The dream has come true. Let me show you how these ubiquitous earbuds really are worth all the hype. The thing I'm most concerned about with earbuds, Frugal friends, is that they stay in my ears. But of course, I'm also looking for quality materials, and it doesn't hurt if they also happen to be cute. The case is gorgeous, way better in real life than when I was picking it out through pictures online. There's a link just for you in the video description. The colors are lovely, and this cover attaches easily and securely to the standard charging case. And of course, I ordered a matching set, including my favorite color, right now at least, purple. Frugal friends, it is these little details that matter to me in this simple little life that I live, and they bring me just that spark of pleasure. And I know we can all use a few more of those little moments of joy in our lives right now. I have to admit, I don't love this super short charging cord and the lack of an adapter. You guys know how I feel about that. I am pleased though that it came pre-charged so I don't have to charge it right away, and hopefully the batteries are really good so that we don't have to charge it too often. The battery life on this is crazy, so it came charged, and I've been using them a lot. Expect an average of approximately 8 hours of playtime on a single charge. And it was only in the last hour that when I hooked them up to my phone, we were finally down to just 50%. Amazing battery life, probably the best battery life I've had in any of my earbuds. And I've had so many earbuds over the years. You guys know I'm really good at losing stuff. So far, haven't lost these, grateful for that. It helps that they don't fall out of my ears. That makes a big difference. The last ones that I tried, I was going to do a video of. I told the sponsor, sorry, I can't promote your product because they keep falling out of my ears. These ones, they're not falling out of my ears. And just in case, the size of the squishy, that's what I call it. In case that isn't the right size for you and isn't keeping them in place, there's a bunch of extras. They'll have the right size in there for you included. Frugal friends, I've got so many fun things that I'm involved in this month. It is my birthday month, so I'm gonna have to let you go. I've got Legos to put together. I've got diamond dot paintings. They just arrived. So much to do, so much going on, and I will be enjoying all of my favorite podcasts, shows, music through my Raycon earbuds. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please, if you have a moment, do be sure to click that link in the video description where you will find the best possible price and value just for our frugal friends. Thank you again, Raycon, for this fabulous opportunity for making one of my YouTuber dreams come true. That's right, frugal friends, dreams can come true. Have a beautiful day. We will see you all real soon.